Good morning, friends. This is TY BSc Physics, Semester 4th, Thermodynamics and Statistical Physics, Paper 3rd. Now we have to discuss the next article in thermodynamic probability. What is meant by thermodynamic probability? The number of microstates corresponding to any given macrostate. We have already discussed what is meant by microstate and what is meant by macrostates. Is called thermodynamic probability or thermodynamic frequency. What do you mean by thermodynamic probability? The number of microstates corresponding to any given macrostate. Suppose we have one macrostate, there are number of microstates. Is called thermodynamic probability or thermodynamic frequency. Consider a case of n particles and two compartments. We have if n1 is the number of particles in one compartment and n2 remaining n2 is equal to n minus n1 particles in other compartment. The arrangement of microstates are n factorial upon n1 factorial into n2 factorial. Now put the value of n2 value is n minus n1. The equation is n factorial upon n factorial into n minus n1 factorial. The number of microstates in the macrostate n1 comma n1 n minus n1 or n1 comma n2 or thermodynamic probability is W of n1 comma n minus n1 means n1 comma n2 equal to W of n1 comma n2. W means thermodynamic probability. The equation is n factorial upon n1 factorial into n2 factorial. The equation is nc n1. This is the first thermodynamic equation equal to nc n2. N1 for first particle and n2 for second particle. Now in case of four distinguishable particles for the macrostate 3 comma 1, that is n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 1 and n is equal to 4. The number of microstates or thermodynamic probability will be how to find out the n is equal to 4. Now put this value in this equation. W of n1 comma n2. N1 is the 3 and n2 is 1. Then n factorial, the total number of states how many? 4. That's why the 4 factorial upon n1 means 3 factorial, n2 means 1 factorial. How to calculate this factorial term? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 upon this 3 factorial 3 into 2 into 1 and 1 factorial only 1. Same term will be cancelled. 3 into 2 into 1 upon 3 into 2 into 1. Only remaining term 4 upon 1. The answer is 4. Hence thermodynamic probability W is equal to 4. Then similarly for the macrostate 2 comma 2. This is the value of n1 is equal to 2 and n2 is equal to 4. Okay. The number of macrostate or thermodynamic probability will be 2 comma 2. n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 2. The number of states are or number of macrostates are 4. The 2 factorial into 2 factorial. The 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then 2 factorial 2 into 1. Then second 2 factorial is 2 into 1. Same term will be cancelled. 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 cancel. Then multiply 4 into 3 12 upon 2. The answer is 6. Okay. Now next one is constraint on a system. What is by constraint? A set of conditions or restrictions that must be obeyed by a system are known as constraint, means rule or restriction. Consider an example of the distribution of 4 particles in 2 compartments. The system must obey the constraint that the total number of particles in 2 compartments must be 4. We already discussed. In general, if there are n particles to be distributed in two compartments and there are n1 particles in one compartment and n2 particles in other compartment, such that n1 plus n2 is equal to capital N. This relation is known as equation of constant of the system. A typical set of constant is summation of Ni is equal to constant is equal to capital N, and summation of Ni into Ei is equal to constant is equal to capital E, where N1 is the number of particles in the ith compartment and Ei is the energy of each particles in ith compartment. Ni is the number of particles ith compartment and Ei is the energy of each particles in the ith compartment. Okay. Now next one is accessible state. There are two states. First one is accessible and second one is inaccessible. How to distribute these states? First one is accessible state. In accessible states are the states consistent with the given constant of the system. Consider a system of three particles. Distribute them into two compartments. The system has four macrostates and eight microstates. When particles are distinguishable, and only four microstates when they are indistinguishable, as shown in table. This is the microstates 3, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2 and 0, 3. These are the microstates. The particle distinguishable, description and their number, then particle indistinguishable. This is distinguishable particle, this is indistinguishable particle. This is the description and this is the number. In first 3, 0 macrostate, the distinguishable particles are A, B, C, 0. The number of microstates are in 1. How to calculate this number? Put these values in equation W of 3, 0. Now the formula is 3 factorial upon 3 factorial into 0 factorial. The total number is 1. Same as calculate to this term 2, 1 A, B, C, B, C, A, C, A. The number is 3. In 1, 2 C, A, B, B, C, B, A, C. The number of states are 3. Then last one is 0, 3, 0, ABC. The number of states is 1 in distinguishable particle. Then indistinguishable particle, the description is A 3, 0. The answer is 1. 2, 1. The answer is 1. 1, 2. The answer is 1. And 0, 3. The answer is 1. If we put the constant that no component should remain empty, then the microstate 3, 0 and 0, 3 cannot exist. The system will then have only two macrostates 2, 1 and 1, 2 with their corresponding microstates. Thus, there will be only two macrostates and 6 microstates when particles are distinguishable, and only two microstates when they are indistinguishable. Okay, which one? 3, 0 and 0, 3. These are the indistinguishable. Suppose again we put the constant that the particles are indistinguishable, then we shall have four macrostates 3, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2 and 0, 3, but each macrostates will have only one microstates are shown in table. We have to discuss in next slide. The total number of microstates will be 4. Thus, constant decreases the number of macrostates as well as microstates of the system. Then next one is accessible macro state. The macro states which are allowed under a constraint are called accessible macro states. For example, in distributing three particles in two compartments under the constraint that no compartment will remain empty, the only accessible macro states 2, 1 and 1, 2. The next one is inaccessible macro state. What is by inaccessible macro state? The macro states which are not allowed under the constraint are called inaccessible macro state. The above example, the macro states 3, 0 and 0, 3 are inaccessible macro states. In some other examples, we come constraint like the energy of the system is between E and E plus delta E. In this case, all microstates which correspond to energy less than E or greater than E plus delta E are considered inaccessible. This is the constraint of the system, and these are the accessible and inaccessible macrostates.